Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we need to discuss a term that I'm probably going to use a lot here in the future, or you may run across it. So alright, the term widget, it first showed up in economics to describe a tool or an item that companies would make. It's an arbitrary term to compare something. They make a widget better than this other group makes a widget. Well, in the computer age, it means something else. It basically means an object, an item, or for a less aware person, a piece of software. So, all right, let's think of, because we're going to start making buttons and windows and things to sit over other things with tkinter, pygame, and a couple other things. So I don't want you, if I say the word widget, I don't want you to really spend any time wondering what it is. It's just a object, a class object that is going to do something. That's all I want you to think about it. And it's no more complicated than that. So just like here's a picture, that is a widget because it is an object sitting on top of something inside a window. That's it. So just a real simple term that I wanted to make sure we covered today before we got into it. I was reviewing my notes and I was about to do something and I would realize that we have not talked about this. So very important, simple term, but very important to know. And I never want you guys to be unaware or to use something that we have not previously discussed. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and the notification bell because I don't want you missing anything. And go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And please leave any comments, questions, or my all-time favorite, any video requests down in the comments, and I'll get right to them. You guys have been absolutely awesome about the video requests recently. So just kudos to you guys. Thank you very much. And as always, thanks for watching. So stay tuned. See you next time. Bye, guys.